Want to create eye-catching YouTube shorts fast using CapCut templates? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to download and install the CapCut app. Now go ahead and launch it open. Once you get here, you want to tap on the templates option at the bottom of your screen. Here, you can browse hundreds of pre-designed templates sorted out by categories like trendy, summer, cinematic, transitions, beat, memes, lyrics, and much more. Now you simply want to select any template for your YouTube shorts. Let's say this one. Simply tap on Use Template option. Now you want to use your own images and videos, so select that. Now tap on Next. As you can see, all of your images and videos are in this template. If you want to edit anything, you can tap on the Edit More option. Now you can edit this however you want. If you want to replace any image, you can do that from here as well. Once you're happy with the results, simply tap on the export option. Now you can head over to YouTube, then upload this video as a short, and in this way you can easily use CapCut templates for YouTube shorts. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.